Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, friends. Friends, this spell is very simple and easy and basic, um, powerful spell in the world. Agree to husband, agree to wife, agree to girlfriend, agree to boyfriend. Most powerful love spell in the world. Love simple spell, love simple amulet, love simple talisman. Most powerful spell in the world, most effective word. X back girlfriend, X back boyfriend, X back husband, wife, and most powerful. It is a centuries old love talisman. It is a centuries old love spell. All loved जो है, it is a centuries old love amulet. It is a dangerous spell for love. It is a talisman to bring the beloved in minutes. Beloved will follow like a dog, just a man's dog loyal, so the lover also become his slave. Millions of times this amulet has been tried and has always been successful. People from all the corner of the world order this talisman, this amulet from me. Everyone's work will be done. I did not want to write this talisman, but still I am writing for the benefit of people. This is our family talisman. This is our family secret amulet of Shoyu. Generations run by run in our family. Most powerful spell in the world. It is a dangerous spell for love. It is a fire talisman of love. It is a torment of the beloved like a fish. Most powerful spell and simple and easy spell in the world. Love spell. The girl is gone by cheating you. The boy is gone by cheating you. The girl is leave you forever. The boy is leave you forever. The girl has destroy your time, destroy your feeling, destroy your heart, destroy your money. The boy has destroy your time, destroy your feeling, destroy your money, destroy your heart. Most powerful spell in the world, most effective, most effective. The girl you have been eating money. The boy you have eating money. The girl have blocked you. The boy have blocked you. Most powerful spell in the world. The best talisman to return such a girl, such a boy. This amulet is back a girl 7 oceans. This talisman is back a boy 7 oceans. Most powerful talisman of the world. Friends, this is the most powerful bone in the world. Most powerful. I do black magic spell on this bone. In fact, the whole world quickly, people from every country of the world make a magic spell. Most love spell in the world, most powerful spell in the world. People get up work early, and the most I am sincere person of you. I cannot get out of your difficult times. I have every hard time with you. If this work is done to me, many people do this procedure with me it has an immediate effect, and the girl becomes a slave forever. Most benefit spell in the world, most effective spell in the world. So, the best talisman in the world. So the use it. Let me tell you how to make a talisman. Make it boxes. Make it boxes. How to make a talisman? Make it a boxes. Then write the numbers in order in separate boxes. This is your spell is complete. Let me show you how to use it. This talisman. Make a talisman. For example, you are a boy. Alhub. You are you boy. Bint. Your mother name. Agree to girlfriend. Alhub. Girl name. Bint. Girl mother name. Okay. This spell is your complete. And make a talisman and tie it around your neck, and make a talisman under the weight. Second and third, make a talisman and place in the heart area. And fourth, make a talisman and bury in the grave. ठीक है. Fifth, make a talisman and wash in the water and drink in water. Agree to drink in water. Agree to girl. Agree to boy, a wife and a husband. ठीक है. Okay. This spell is your complete, and if you want to do this work me, you you contact me on my WhatsApp number plus 923305919192. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. This girl will immediately fall in love with you. Then the girl come to you. So many people do this procedure with me. It has an immediately effect, and the girl becomes a slave forever. Boy becomes a slave forever. So I request you, please my video, share it your friends WhatsApp groups and Facebook groups. I request you, please my video share. This is my WhatsApp number. Pir Bilal Shah my name. Please visit my website www.talismiamliyat.com. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.